Hello everyone, thank you for pressing that button. We're about to get right into this look. It's gonna be short, simple, natural beats, my everyday go-to makeup look. When I say everyday, I'm not the one that has all the glitter everywhere, has all the crazy colors everywhere. That's just not your girl. I'm gonna show you what I do when I go out, and this is actually the first time that I'm doing my makeup to go somewhere. Isn't that crazy? All right, let's jump right into it. I've already done my brows. I've used my Benefit, if I can find it, Precise My Brow Pencil. Bam! That's what I used in the color 4.5. I'm going into my Makeup Forever color Y505. Let's do it. So I actually purchased maybe about 7 brows, not brows, brows. I tried to do a natural brow today, but I actually purchased maybe like 7 what are those things called, eyelashes from an eyelash company by the name of Lena Lash, and I finally got them. It took forever, but I did get them. I'm excited about them. I am going to wear a pair in this video. When I say they are bomb, they're bomb. Now we're going in with my Becca concealer in the shade Syrup. I have not used this actual concealer in such a long time because I'm really oily, and this is like a cream concealer. I guess all of mine are cream concealers. But my thing is, I don't let any type of product, whether they say it's only for oily, only for dry skin, I don't let that stop me from using the different products. I wear whatever I want to wear when I want to wear it. So how have you all been this week? I had a long week. I'm actually doing an extern, not intern. Me and my brother has this long argument. He swear I didn't know what I was talking about, but this is what the school calls it. They call it an extern. I actually started my extern. So basically I'm working for free, which sucks balls, but I'm learning a lot. But again, it sucks balls because I'm working for free, but you know, it's okay. I'll live. Okay, y'all, I don't know why I use that concealer. I don't see not one drop of highlight nowhere. It looks like my exact skin complexion. Now when I go out, you know, I don't do all the crazy eyeshadow colors, but I do my highlight. I'm going in with my Peach Perfect setting powder. Maybe this will add me a little highlight. And it does not. It's okay. I'm going to a kid's birthday party. Me and my girls. Just contour a little. Nose. It is storming outside so bad, y'all. I don't feel too bad if I didn't show up to this baby's birthday party. My kids don't care about storms. They just want to party. So I get this done really quick and head to the party. Right now we're gonna go in with our Anastasia powder bronzer in the shade Saddle. And we're gonna go over that contour. Again, this thing is in pieces. I'm going to use my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Alright, I'm going to take one of my Morphe brushes along with my Morphe 3502 palette. This palette here. And I'm going to go in with let's do the shade here. Put that on my crease. Now it is raining cats and dogs outside. Gonna just blend that. I'm gonna wing it out. Let's go in with this one. That one there. Now this is too much for when I actually go out somewhere. I don't even do this much. I'm usually really neutral. Okay, y'all. Let's give it up for the star of this show. Look at these lashes. Like, come on. Yes, lash. Well worth the wait. Lena Lash, get you some. She always has discounts on there. I mean, like, these lashes are the real deal. I mean, look at these. They look so freaking good. All right, now we are going to move on to highlight. Oh my god, I can't stop looking at these lashes. They're amazing. Okay, let's get into the Fenty Beauty. Can you see? Mean Money and Hustle Baby. Nose, center of nose, a little bit on the forehead. Okay, I put way too much on my forehead. Cupid's bow. We're gonna keep it cute and simple today. We're gonna go in with a little gloss. I'm going to use my Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. It don't make my lips bigger. It's very glossy though. All right, and that is our finished look. Short, simple, and to the point. Bye-bye.